like we level through the sky. I can't wait to live in glory and eternal lasting love. Won't you take the wheel? Our reclining house is still. Might as well turn up now. He gon' pop up unannounced to the trumpets. Do you like the way it sounds? I can see the future, it's looking like we level through the sky. I can't wait to live in glory and eternal lasting love. Won't you take the wheel? Our reclining house is still. Might as well turn up now. He gon' pop up unannounced to the trumpets. Do you like the way it sounds?
Off the grid, this for my kid. For when my kids have kids. Everything we did for the crib, everything we did, how we live. All this smoke got a scent, all that smoke Kevin sent. Everything I spoke, what I meant, never disguise my intent. Lines outside the event, brought my life out the trench. God, thank God, look what he did. We off the grid. We off the grid.
I'm off the grid. Got tats on my ribs, tattoos on my ribs. Agitated my kids. I just do 20 counted. He was an honest. I just bought me some brand new clothes. Go Street Market. We just took a ride shot. I'm in a Rolls Royce, but on what you call it. I light her up, blunt and let you try it. I'm off the grid.
We off the grid. This for my kid. Everything we did for the crib did hit. Blacks and whip this trip. Born grid, Texas G6. Led them 76. He spit this. We off the grid.
Yeah, look, when I was in jail, I was low-key. Shout out to supporters that wrote me. Eat food, work out, and then go sleep. You know I'm praying he carrying both feet. Niggas know we got God with us. He look at me and see a God figure. And when I start vibing, I know that he with me. And I'ma always catch a hard shiver. I know it's demons in that dark liquor. You buy a bottle with a squad switch up. Everybody turn into a harsh nigga. But my pocket's bigger and my heart richer. My mind smarter, my grind harder, and my car quicker. I'm at her in church, she pray for me. She my God sister. Yeah, I'm only trusting the people I keep close. Niggas selling they soul for a repost. Remember when I was broke wearing cheap coats, and I was diamonds and houses and C-notes. Nigga, I'm feeling marvelous. They let the monster loose. They call me a product of my environment. I tell them no, I'm a God producer. Defense good and them guards can shoot. I put them on you, it get hard to move. Tattoo on my face is the mark of truth. Gotta watch what you say when they market you. I already predicted this. Y'all only witnessed it. Look, got a couple old friends that I'm not really clicking with. I know they pray that we settle our differences. I pray that they lower all my niggas' sentences. I got some demons I'm not even dealing with. They ain't any feelings I'm not really feeling it. I know some members that gave back their membership. Nigga, you switched up. Like how you not feeling me? Look, I act like I care, but I don't really care. Now I live in a new building with amenities. I got a new ceiling with a chimney. I got a few niggas wanna finish me. I don't get too friendly with the enemy. You gotta move different when you in the industry. Ooh, yeah, you gotta move different when you in the industry. You gotta move different when you look. God bless me with amazing grace. She fell in love with my day to day. I just want my problems to fade away. Man, I'm tired of niggas, I need Gatorade. Boy, I got on my feet and I made a name and I made it a necklace. When you from the bottom and you working hard just to get to the top, then they gotta respect it. If you got a voice, then you gotta project it. If you got it wrong, then you gotta correct it. If you got a name, you gotta protect it. If you get me shocked, then you gotta elect. Tryna live a new life, so I got a new plan and I gotta finesse with. Yeah, cause they want me to lose, they ain't part of the rules. I be trying so hard not to move reckless.
Off the green, this for my kid. Everything we did for the crib, did hit. Blessing with this shit.